Hi everyone, I am Meenal. Welcome back to my channel. So if you're watching me for the first time, let me tell you, I make videos on makeup, beauty and lifestyle. So if you're already a subscriber, thank you for being here and welcome back. If you are watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing. It is absolutely free. Please, if you watch my videos and if you like them, kindly subscribe. So today's video is all about this makeup look, which is very easy and very quick to do. It is very simple, yet it is a very glam party kind of a makeup, and hence I'm sharing it with you. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the tutorial. So I'm gonna start off with a brightening serum from a brand called The Face Shop. I'm gonna follow with a face moisturizer from the same range. So the next step is using a face primer. For an even looking makeup, you need to have a face primer on your face. Usually I love to use L'Oreal Base Magic, but today I'm going to use this face primer from Blue Heaven, which is equally good, surprisingly. It's a gel base primer. And if you want to experiment, if you want to try a new primer, I think you should give this one a try. And now, as I always say, it is very important to do your eyeshadow before you do your base. In case you have a fallout, it's very easy to clean up. बेस लगाने के बाद अगर आप आई शेडो करते हैं और फॉल आउट होता है तो ऑब्वियसली बेस ख़राब होने के चांसेस हैं, बिकॉज कोई भी आई शेडो हो फॉल आउट तो होगा ही. सो इट्स ऑलवेज बेटर दैट यू डू योर आई शेडो बिफोर योर बेस. टुडे द पैलेट दैट आई एम यूजिंग इज from this brand called You Can Be. It's been a long time that I bought it, but I've never used it. So it's a really beautiful palette. It has very funky colors. I'm gonna take this color. It's kind of a champagne color. So I'm gonna start off with that one. So beautiful. So it's a very pigmented eyeshadow palette, and I totally recommend this brand if you want to try this. For the outer corner, I'm going to use black right here. If you don't want to go for black, you can also go for a dark brown. So you're going to try and make a V on the outer edge of your eye, like so, and then just blend it. And we'll repeat the same one for the other eye. Next, I'm using this Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. And I'm gonna do the lower lash line as well. Now don't go all the way, just half. Then we're gonna line our waterline with kajal. I'm using Lakme. I usually love using Lakme kajal. I think it's the best. Always make sure that you're putting the kajal on the upper waterline as well. It will make the kajal last for a longer time. See, when you don't line the whole of your lash line with the eyeliner, it makes your eyes look bigger. Rather, अगर आप पूरा कर लेंगे तो eyes थोड़ा सा छोटा दिखता है. Then I'm gonna do my brows. For my brows, I always use L'Oreal Brow Artist. It's the best. Since the time that I have started using it, I have never looked back. I have not tried anything new. I just stick to it because I just love it. Now, as I always tell, I do not like to shape my eyebrows. I just work with whatever naturally I have. And right now I am growing them. Although for this look, I like to have like a little arch. So I'm going to try and give that. But it's a bit difficult to achieve because I've been growing my eyebrows, so it's not perfectly groomed. but I'm gonna still try. Whenever I am going for more of a party look, I always like to clean the eyebrows after I'm done. So for this, you can use concealer. I am using a foundation because I feel it matches better with my skin and I don't want to highlight anything. Just take any foundation that you have. Next, we're going to use foundation. I'm again using Maybelline Fit Me foundation because it is the best for this weather, and also I'm out of my L'Oreal Infallible and I am unable to find it online, like the perfect shade that I'm looking for, so I'm just sticking with what I have. Do not forget your neck. I always say that you should put the same foundation on your neck and your ears to make it all look. Now you can use a concealer if you want to at this point of time under your eyes and the bridge of your nose if you want to. I do not like using concealer. I usually skip it. I don't feel the need of it. Now to set this all up, I am using this compact by this brand called Expose. It's the brand from Westside. And you must be thinking that I did the whole eye makeup and I did not put on mascara. The reason is that I use a liquid eyeliner and I didn't want it to smudge it off because I like using eyelash color, and if you have to use eyelash color you have to wait for this all to dry up, otherwise आपका पूरा eyeliner इस पे stick हो जाएगा और आपने जो भी मेहनत करी वो खराब हो जाएगी. So now that it's all dried up and it's all set, I'm gonna use my eyelash color. I'm gonna repeat this again. अगर आपने अभी तक eyelash color पे invest नहीं करा है तो please कीजिए. See, you can see instantly lifts up the eyelash. For the mascara, I'm going to use my favorite one is by Rimmel. It's called Scandal Eyes. I swear by this mascara, it's the best. Again, as I always say, always use a rotating motion while you're applying your mascara. It will just make your eyelashes look better. And do not try and apply coats and coats of mascara. Always try to work with the first, and because once the mascara is all dried up and you try to coat it with another one, it becomes too messy. Do not forget your bottom lashes. Time to add some color to your face. For this I'm going to use this palette by Makeup Revolution. If you have a round face like I do, always try to apply your blush like upward motion. If you just put a blab here and leave it, it will make your face look even more rounder. So always try to go like up with your blush. I also like to add a little bit on my nose as well, just to give it like an even look. Just a little tad bit of it on my nose, not too much, and a little bit on my chin. Just makes it all look better. Alright, I also have a little contouring, so I'm going to take like a little brown. You can see it's not too much, very light, and just lightly contour my face, very lightly. I'm not using anything creamier or darker or heavier, something very natural and light. Obviously, if you want like a more chiseled face, you want like more contoured face, you can use a cream contour which is like a dark brown in color, and you can do the whole routine and it also works very well, but it's totally up to you. Me currently, I'm not there, so I'm gonna do this instead. If you don't have a palette which has a contour color, you can also use a very light brown or brownish shade of eyeshadow and do the same. It will will be almost the same thing. I don't like to contour my nose and like to keep it as natural as it can be. So to highlight my face, I'm going to use this palette by Lancome. I'm going to use the now for this look, I'm going to do a red lip. If you don't want that, you can go like with a very natural nude lip color. This would also complete the look. I want to wear red. Now when I talk about red, there are different kinds of red available in the market, and everybody will have a different shade that will suit them. So you find your red and wear that. I currently have 3 reds with me. One is Ruby Fire from Studio West, which is like this kind of red. I have another Rich Ruby by Maybelline, blood red kind of color. I also have Warm Red by Miniso. This. For this look, I think I am gonna go with this blood red kind of a color by Maybelline. Now you can line your lip and do that. I usually don't do it. And I think it's like too red, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this one by Miniso and make it like a bit toned down. So here, when you're using something so bright, and usually lipsticks like Maybelline, they are not transfer proof and a color like red would smudge off. So I will share a very nice trick with you to make it transfer proof and to make it last for a longer time. All you have to do is you have to take a tissue and just place it over your face. Take powder, and just dab that compact or loose powder. See, I've taken this powder. I'm gonna do this again. Will just take off all the extra lipstick which was about to transfer. This trick does work. Do try and let me know if it worked for you or not. Now we will just set our makeup with a makeup fixer. I'm using this makeup fixer by Swiss Beauty. I'm using this makeup fixer by Swiss Beauty, which is a good one. This is it, you guys. This was so easy and so simple, yes, yet so glam. I hope you have liked this video. If you have, kindly press the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you like watching me. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, be you, be beautiful.